Hi friends, welcome to toolscorner.com videos. Today let's see, is cheese high in sodium? Cheese is a beloved food that adds flavor and texture to many dishes. However, when it comes to health, particularly for those who are concerned about sodium intake, cheese often raises a red flag. Sodium is an essential mineral and is necessary for fluid balance and nerve function. But excessive intake can lead to high blood pressure and other health issues. So is cheese high in sodium? Let's explore. Sodium content in cheese. The sodium content in cheese varies significantly depending on the type of cheese. Some cheese are naturally higher in sodium due to the way they are processed and preserved. For instance, a 1-ounce serving of cheddar cheese contains approximately 200 milligrams of sodium, while the serving size of feta cheese can have over 300 milligrams. This is relatively high compared to other foods like fruits or vegetables, which are naturally low in sodium. In general, cheese like blue cheese, processed cheese, and cheese spreads tend to have higher sodium levels due to the addition of salt during production. On the other hand, cheese like fresh mozzarella, ricotta, or cottage cheese tend to have lower sodium content. Why is cheese high in sodium? Cheese is naturally made from milk, and during cheese making process, salt is added not only for flavor but also as a preservative. The aging process of many cheese further concentrate on sodium content. As water is removed during aging, the salt becomes more concentrated, making aged cheese like Parmesan and Roquefort higher in sodium compared to the fresher counterparts. How to enjoy cheese in a low sodium diet? While cheese can be high in sodium, it can still be enjoyed in moderation as a part of a balanced diet. Opt for low sodium varieties such as mozzarella or Swiss and limit portion sizes. If you are particularly concerned about the sodium intake, try pairing cheese with fresh fruits or vegetables which are naturally low in sodium to balance your meal. Cheese can be high in sodium, especially aged and processed varieties. To manage sodium intakes, it's important to choose lower sodium cheeses and enjoy them in moderation as a part of a balanced diet. Friends, thank you for watching our video. Please like and share our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you.